Hi, Internet friends. It's Tim Schrock at Design Build Solutions bringing you today's Tech Tip Tuesday on placing lighting fixtures. This one I hope will be quick. Notice how I try to place this sconce on to the side of this tall pantry, and I cannot put it there on the side. It wants to just mount on the wall. Well, I've got this one here up there. Let's see how I did that. What I had to do was pull the pantry off and then move the sconce into place over here, center it on the pantry, and move it back into place. Here is the elevation, and you can see that it worked. I'll give the fixtures the height I want. Let's just move it up like so. Say 14 inches. It stayed there. Let's say I move this manually like this, say 60. Will it stay there? Yes, it does. I'm working in Chief Architect X15, Chief Architect Premier X15. Hope this helps you. If you learned something new, click like and subscribe. Let me know what you think. Take care.